go. You just hold it, see, and then you can see I'm moving around.
That is really neat.
Yeah. So,
Oh gosh.
standing here in front of the green bench,
Yeah, I wish you could.
Grandpa's bench.
Yeah. And it brought
On
light.
an unusually warm January winter day.
That's right.
Yeah.
And what were you going to say?
Oh, you mean I should talk?
Yep.
Well, this is a treat right now. Perfect.
Okay.
Good.
It's difficult in some respects, but in the other, it's pretty remarkable because they don't know their other grandma, and someday they will see that.
I have a video of myself and Grandpa talking, sitting on the sofa.
Griswold.
Grandpa Griswold.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Isn't that incredible?
In the little home that you had.
Oh, we'll have to show you that one time because it's pretty amazing.
Yo-Yo was there too. Yo-Yo was in the video too.
Video too.
Yeah.